Slurp Chronicles. Swag Slurp, man.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. We gon' make it rain, bitch. We ain't playing game, bitch. Coming to your hood, we just pull out our fucking thing, bitch. And y'all girl on her knees and her tongue started slurping. Got the fucking groove, swag slurping. We ain't burping.
I'ma make it rain, bitch. Look at my chain, bitch. Long as a cop, but I'm talking about my chain, bitch. Look at my fucking hand. They about to touch on your ass. We about to get your girl and we bringing her to our class. Swag Slurp Academy. Look at you bad at me. Bitch, you don't give a fuck, so why you smacking me? But I don't give a fuck. Terry gonna hit your butt. Josh gonna hit it next, and then Chaz is your slut.
We gon' make it rain, bitch. We ain't playing no fucking game, bitch. We gon' make it rain, bitch. We ain't playing no fucking game, bitch. JB ain't playing games, so we gonna keep it flowing. Me and Twins about to keep the bars rolling. Like some wheels speeding down the track. Oh. Fuck that shit.
I'm on the map, bitch. Look at my hat, bitch. Matching ass champ, man. You call me the cat, bitch. Cause I got these fucking hoes. All these fucking hoes knows that I got these fucking suck. Fuck them from they fucking toes. Up they body, bitch. You gonna suck my dick. Then you gonna get Chad. Then you gonna get my chick. Cause we got these fucking hoes. All these bitches really know Josh fucking next. Then Terry get them on the low.
Why you playing games, Josh?
I ain't playing games, nigga. We gon' do this thing. Fucking all these bitches. Got my nigga Chad in the back. Fucking do his thing. And Swag Slurp the fucking tea. Yeah, we got that fucking creep. Smoking on the loud. Got the niggas going stupid. And we got a fucking crowd.